Monday, August 31st. Now I'm heading downhill to Ennis. I just decided to take a video of this because it's so beautiful on my walk for wildlife crossings across the United States. Yes, I'm a little concerned about the rain, but I've got preparation for that. But just look at this beautiful valley. And that should be Ennis out there about the middle under that really dark cloud. But it says it's not supposed to have rain. One more time, checking it out. Just beautiful. Beautiful valley. Down the road I go to Ennis, Montana.